Welcome to our Splunk SPL tutorial on the event count command. The event count command is a powerful tool for counting events by index, making it essential for capacity planning and event analysis. This command helps you understand how your data is distributed across different indexes in your Splunk environment. By using event count, you can gain valuable insights into your data volume, which is crucial for effective resource management and system optimization. The basic syntax uses a pipe symbol followed by the word event count, making it straightforward to implement in your search queries. The event count command returns summary information about indexes that contain your specified search terms. Its primary purpose is to provide administrators and analysts with a comprehensive overview of data distribution across the Splunk infrastructure. The basic syntax is pipe symbol event count summarize equals false. When you run this command, it gives you detailed statistics about your indexes without summarizing the results, allowing you to see granular information about each index separately. This command is particularly useful when you need to understand which indexes are consuming the most storage space or processing the highest volume of events. The basic usage of event count involves running the command pipe symbol event count summarize equals false. This simple command returns three key pieces of information for each index in your Splunk environment. First, it shows the server field, which contains the index name. Second, it provides the count field, which displays the total number of events in that index. Third, it returns distinct _hosts, showing how many unique hosts are contributing data to each index. These three metrics give you a foundational understanding of your data landscape and help identify patterns in data ingestion across your infrastructure. To get more granular insights, you can count events by source type using the command index equals * pipe symbol stats count by source type pipe symbol sort - count. This approach provides detailed analysis of your data sources by showing how many events each source type contributes to your environment. The sort - count portion arranges the results in descending order, putting the highest volume source types at the top. This is particularly valuable for data analysis, as it helps you identify which data sources are consuming the most storage. It also supports capacity planning by showing source type volume trends, enabling you to make informed decisions about data retention policies and storage allocation. Another valuable analysis method is counting events by host using index equals * pipe symbol stats count by host pipe symbol sort - count. This command helps you monitor host activity levels across your entire Splunk deployment. By sorting the results in descending order with -count, you can quickly identify which hosts are generating the highest volume of events. This information is crucial for identifying high-volume hosts that might need special attention or additional resources. The insights gained from this analysis support resource allocation planning, helping you distribute computational load more effectively across your infrastructure and ensuring optimal performance for your most active data sources. For the most comprehensive analysis, you can combine all dimensions using index equals * pipe symbol stats count by index, source type, host pipe symbol sort - count. This powerful query provides a complete view of event distribution across your entire Splunk environment by breaking down the data by index, source type, and host simultaneously. The results give you key insights into how events are distributed across these three critical dimensions. This comprehensive approach is essential for effective capacity planning, as it reveals patterns and trends that might not be visible when analyzing each dimension separately. Understanding this complete picture enables you to optimize resource allocation, plan for future growth, and ensure your Splunk environment operates efficiently. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.